Quack! What a beautiful seed earth!
Let's make it together.
Let's see what materials we need first. Tap the light circle. Paint, tissues, and water. Seeds. Let's make it together. First, tear the tissues into thin strips. The more strips, the bigger the earth. A bowl of clean water. Add a little paint to make the earth look even better. Soak the tissues in the water. Seeds can only sprout with water. Now add some seeds. Mix it all well. Shape the tissues into a round ball. Seed earth is done! Seeds, sprout right away!
Seeds need time to sprout.
Wow! I have a sprouting earth! Buddies, make a seed earth together with your mommy and daddy.